What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you 3 easy ways to make a passive $100 a day online. Now, these 3 ways, they're all different, but we have to use the internet. If you want to make money online, obviously you need the internet. If you want to make a passive income online, okay, the easiest thing to do, I'm going to show you 3 different ways. Some of these require no money, others do require a little bit of money. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you right now exactly how you can create an easy $100 a day in passive income online. Alright, so the very first way, now I'm going to walk you through this, kind of step by step. There are 3 different ways. Make sure you watch this entire video, okay? Now, if you have questions, ask your questions in the comment section below. Also, make sure you share this video over on Facebook with your friends and family, because a lot of people want to know how to make money online. A lot of people want to know how to make a passive income, and I show you exactly how to do both of those things. So this right here, we're on eBay. Yeah, we're going to sell stuff on eBay, and you're probably thinking, well, I don't have this briefcase, this men's bag. How am I supposed to sell it? Well, you do have access to it. This is what I want to show you, all right? This bag right here, okay? You can see it. This one is this bag right here. It's already sold, okay? This bag sold on July 22nd. for $42.68. But you're probably thinking, well, how much does this bag cost? Where do I get it? Well, you can get it from a website called AliExpress. Now, this is a website I use for any of my drop shipping, but you see the bag right here. It's the exact same bag. Okay, you can see it. Exact same bag. Okay, and it sells between $18.99 and $22.31. Here's the cool part, is that it will be delivered from China to the United States via e-packet within 12 to 20 days. Normally, my stuff shows up about 12 to 15 days. It's usually on the earlier side. Sometimes I get stuff a little bit sooner. I have seen stuff show up within about 7 to 8 days. So just know, estimated delivery time is about 2 weeks, and that's pretty consistent. So instead of paying $42, you sell for $42. When it sells, you come back over to this site right here on AliExpress, you buy it, and you ship it directly to the customer. Okay, so you buy it, let's say for $22, you sell it for $42. You just profited $20 from this sale. Now you do have to pay the eBay fees, but that's all on you. So you're gonna make what, 16 bucks for one sale. That's pretty easy, right? And all you gotta do is come to AliExpress. There's a lot of different items. Now, here's what I did to find this exact item. I came to AliExpress.com, okay, and I went to bags and shoes. I went to briefcases. That's what I did, okay. Then the next thing I did is for the sort by, it's under best match. I clicked on orders, so it puts the product that's been ordered the most all the way at the top. So look at this, orders, okay. 1647, 523, 505, 417, 411, 303, 258, 247, and it goes down and down and down. You can do this on every single category. Now, there is software out there that will help you do this. If you use Shopify, it will. There's a app. I don't remember the app's name. I use it. I don't remember the app's name. Or Oberlo. So that one will pull stuff from AliExpress and stick it on your site, which is great. However, you don't get the power of eBay. So that's why I recommend using eBay. And I know there's software out there. I don't remember the name off the top of my head, but it's there, right? That's idea number 1. That's one of the easiest ways to make a passive income online, is to do drop shipping. You list the stuff on eBay, okay? And from eBay, people will buy it. They'll see it, they'll buy it, they'll love it, okay? And then you go on to AliExpress and you buy it, ship it directly to the customer, and you're done. Never touch the item, you're good to go. The second way to make an easy $100 per day in passive income is something called freelance writing. Now, here's what I want to explain to you. Most people think that you have to do the writing yourself, and that's not necessarily true. When I started out years ago, back in like 2006, 2007, doing freelance writing, I was doing all the articles myself, and it was becoming very boring, tiresome, and it was repetitive, so I didn't like doing as much. So I hired a virtual assistant, and that really built my business to what it is today. So I do have a course you can go check it out. It'll be the first link in the description box below, and it kind of walks you through the process of hiring virtual assistants to not only write, but to bid on jobs, to do all the customer support, to edit the articles, to do SEO, to do everything. And that one is something that a lot of people have really learned to love, the whole freelance writing business, because of the fact that they don't have to do all the writing themselves. So now you don't need the course. It will just kind of help you and get you there faster. But essentially what I'm talking about is where you go to find articles, or people to write articles for you, and also where do you find people that are looking for articles. Now here on Fiverr.com, you can go create an account. It's absolutely free. You go create an account and you put up your job. So like this one, Cindy Hardy says, I will write a 500-word blog or 500 words blog or article within 48 hours. She starts at $10. Okay, look how many reviews she has in the last 60 days, 183. Okay, and that's just showing you people are actually out there looking for people to write articles for their website, for their blog, for Facebook. There's so many different things. Now this right here, I went up to writing and translation. I clicked on articles and blog posts. You can do creative writing. You can do website content. You can do reviews and cover letters, sales copy, email copy, okay, business names and slogans. There's a lot of different things you can do. Now, you don't want to write the articles, right? Because that's not passive income if you're writing the articles. So what I do is I come over to Craigslist. I absolutely love Craigslist. Now, there's sites out there that do the vetting and all that for you, and that works out great. However, you pay more money to have those people because they're vetted. I'd rather do the vetting myself. So what you do, you come over to Craigslist and come to the Philippines. Now, the way you get there, click on Craigslist Worldwide, click on Asia, come down to the Philippines. Okay, the two places I like to use in the Philippines are Manila is number 1 and Cebu is number 2. Come down to resumes right here, and I'm just typing writing. Okay, so VA, virtual assistant, general VA, impeccable and dynamic virtual assistant, internet and technology savvy, experienced freelance writer. I've already clicked on this one before, but experienced writer with more than a decade of copywriting experience, seeking all kinds of content writing projects, free consultation and quote. I also work US hours. Email me and let's talk about your content needs. Thanks. Okay, cool. I'll probably reply to that. And the reason for that is because you find the work, you get the work, you get paid, and then you go and hire it out, somebody that works your hours, that has a quick turnaround time, and you give them the job. They write the article, they send it back, you look at it really quick, make sure it's all good, and then you forward it to the client that paid you. So let's say you charge $10 to have it written, and this person charged you $5 to do it. So they make $5, you make $5, you're good to go because you just made a quick $5 in passive income without ever writing an article. Now, method number 3, which is one of my personal favorites, I absolutely love this, and I talk about this all the time. Now, I do have a new membership, a monthly membership kind of course, academy, called the Homemade Entrepreneur Academy. If you want to check it out, I'm just now launching it. People have been going through it for about 8 months. I'm just now making it public, but that will be the second link in the description box below. It's $15 a month. You can cancel it anytime, but what I do is show you how to build a brand, show you how to really create some income online, doing a lot of different things. But branding is one of the most popular things that people are wanting to know, so that's what I talk about the most inside the academy. But for method number 3, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to make money on YouTube selling or promoting affiliate products. So how exactly do we do this? Well, the first thing that I do is you find a product that you want to promote. This right here is, you can see right here, it's the Star Mist 1 ounce mini mister in orange. Okay, it has this little pump on the bottom. You pump it up, you make it so it builds up some pressure. You push the button and it mists you. Now, what I recommend doing is you come over to YouTube and you go to best personal mister. Okay, all I'm trying to do is find keywords that, so this one right here would be a good idea. So this one gets about 50 searches a month over on Google. It has a decent amount of search volume right there and very little competition. What I would do is I'd create a little video on the best personal mister, and I'd do a review on this one, and then inside that review I would provide a link to actually buy the product over on Amazon or Walmart or wherever. Now, what I recommend is you create a YouTube channel that is something review. I review, Adam's reviews, Greg's reviews, Peter's awesome reviews or something, just so people know that you are reviewing products, because it's not always a mister. Sometimes you'll do a review on the best earbuds. Let's see, earbuds 2018. Let's type in that, best earbuds 2018. So you see there's a lot of volume, but there's a lot of competition. Now these are just some basic Apple earbuds, nothing special. But maybe we don't do that. Maybe we do the best sunless Tanner 2018. Okay, best sunless Tanner 2018. Again, there's a decent amount of search volume, very little competition, and according to TubeBuddy, it says it is great. It is a very good keyword to go after. Now, if you want to try TubeBuddy, it's absolutely free. They do have paid versions. I highly recommend them, but you can start up for free. And I'll put the link, that'll be the third link down in the description box below. So go get it if you're at all interested in doing any type of video on YouTube. Okay, let's say that's one we want to do. And then we want to do best box tape. Okay, 2018. Because I do ship stuff. So I do have different types of box tape. This is a little 2.5 inch or 2 inch tape. This is a kind of the same thing, but it's brown. This one's clear. I have some tape that says eBay on it. I have 3-inch box tape. I have some glue tape. I have a whole bunch of different types of tape. But all I do is the best box tape 2018. Do a review on it and just see, when people watch these videos on my box tape, do they go and buy this one? Do they go and buy this one? Do they go and buy a whole dispenser? What do they buy? But by providing that link, okay, let's just go and look really quick, see if anybody has a link. Let's see, this one has a link right here. This one will take them to best tape measure 2018, and this link right here takes them to Amazon to buy the product, and if somebody buys it, they get commission and they make some money. So that is my third way to make passive income, make $100 in passive income every single day. So before I end this video, I just want to talk about the Homemade Entrepreneur Academy and kind of what it entails, what's inside, and what you can expect. You can come read it. Again, this will be the second link in the description box below. Go check it out. Again, it's $15 a month. $15 a month. You can cancel at any time. Okay. So what I talk about is, you can kind of see down here what's included. Step-by-step online business ideas. I talk to you about how to make money on eBay, how to make money on Amazon, how to make money doing stuff over on Instagram, doing stuff on Google. There's a lot of different things. Now, not all of these are going to be available to you like, the first day you sign up. Some you're going to see it within like a week. Some takes about 2 weeks, but they kind of get dripped out, okay, over the course of a month or however long you're a member. Also, expert entrepreneur tips, how to easily build your brand. Like I said earlier in this video, one of the main things people have been wanting to know is how I built my brand, The Homemade Entrepreneur. What I do, how I find products to promote, why I create courses or different things to sell. And all that stuff I talk about inside the Homemade Entrepreneur Academy, and exactly how you can take your passion and create some profit from it. All right. Also show you the steps to creating your core online business. For those of you that don't know, my core online business is right here on YouTube. This is my core business right here on YouTube, and then I expand everything off of that. Okay, that's where I get the majority of my traffic, so that is my core business. Also, understanding your true value and how to increase it. What is your true value? How do people value what it is you talk about? Are you in construction? Are you doing health and fitness? Are you in making money online? How do people value you, and how can you increase it to make more money? I'll show you how to make money while you sleep, doing so many different things. Okay, I show you how to get traffic from YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and all these places, and how to really make more money because of those things. I'll show you how to create your first $1,000 per month business. I add new lessons every single week. So every single Monday, you're going to find more lessons that you didn't have access to before. And it's simply because you've been a member for another week. So every single month, if you renew it, you're going to get more and more lessons. You always have access to ask me questions inside the comment section of any one of those videos, and I'll answer your questions. You can always send me emails and I'll answer your questions there as well. That's what the unlimited email support is. And also, one of the cool things I'm going to be doing inside the Homemade Entrepreneur Academy that haven't really done a whole lot lately is I'm going to be bringing in fellow entrepreneurs to talk about different things that they do, whether it's Shopify, eBay dropshipping, could be Amazon FBA, could be freelance writing, could be YouTube, could be consulting, could be social media marketing, whatever it is. Be bringing them in. They'll be talking a little bit about their business, what they do, and hopefully if they have a course or if they have some type of product, I'll be able to get you guys a discount on that as well. So that's the goal. I already have a few people already kind of in line, lined up, ready to go. But come over here, read the page, just see what you guys think, all right? And yes, I have been doing it for about 8-9 months. The Homemade Entrepreneur Academy has been live, but it hasn't been live to the public. So I just want you guys to know that I am taking any recommendations. If there's something that you don't see in there that you think would be beneficial to yourself and to others, let me know, all right? So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully this video gave you kind of an idea of what other passive income business ideas are out there that you can do online. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.